Okay, here we are, we're back again. What we're going to do today is take the contents of your box and show you how to install it. It's going to be a two-part movie. I'm going to show you the steps you can do in your house or wherever. I'm at my workstation. First of all, you have your window mount, your backup camera, your user manual for the hardware itself, the map manual. You have the power supply, which is just your regular 12-volt cigarette lighter, your antenna wire for the DMB antenna, your USB adapter for the SD card, and the actual antenna for the DMB. Now, what I'm going to go over here today is exactly how to mount your DMB antenna to your DMB antenna to your window mount. So we can put all this, the rest of this off to the side. Right here. And what I'm going to do is actually take these out the bag. Okay, there's two options to doing this. What we're going to do is actually take this, have this mounted here, with this connected on the side. There's two ways to do this. Take it like so. Take the original wrap that you get with the antenna itself. Twist. Connect this to here. And just a second, let me grab two zip ties. I like yellow anyways. Now you can use black zip ties. I just happen to like to use yellow. That's just for me. Black zip ties actually look a lot better. Hold on, let me get a black zip tie. Okay, we'll use black today because it looks a lot better. And what you're going to do is take your hardware and mount it on the back like here. Now, what you're going to do is take the antenna piece, mount it on the opposite side to the toggles. Oops. Okay, we're going to take it. What I do is I mount it back here. So what I can do is, actually, let me use a smaller zip tie. Will that work? No. Bigger zip tie. Take the zip tie, mount it here, put it nice and tight. One here, and one here. Now with that like that, now you can pick up zip ties anywhere. Local stores should have them. Take these and cut. Okay, now you have your cable here. What you can do is tuck the cable underneath the back here. There's just enough room for it to fit, and then connect right here. Now what this allows for is for me to be able to actually still make adjustments while you're trying to mount it in the car. Now the other part of this is you can actually, let me take this piece off. You know what, I'll just cut them, they're cheap enough. The other way to do it is to actually cut the wire, which looks a lot neater. You don't have a big clump. Do this, open it up. Now what you're trying to do is take this and have enough wire for it to be here. There's a little bit of excess to it. So what you're going to do is take that, hold it together, and cut. Now get rid of that, and you can connect the two here. How you do that? Now, I have been doing this for a little bit, so you can very easily strip the black coating off. Like so. I like to do it this way. Now you can take any screwdriver, a little screwdriver, open this up, pull the inside out. And just like so. Now you have two pieces. You have the shielding and you have the wire. Take the wire. Now what you want to do is about halfway back, strip this off. Okay. Try this again. See, this time I'm going to do it a little bit shorter. You'll see why I want the shortness in a second. Okay? Can't twist that. Figure that out. Okay. Now you do the same with this side. But because I made this so short, you don't have to make this side so short. So I can go here, strip this away, like so. Same trick again, push it down, take a little screwdriver, push the shielding back, come on, there you go, fish it out. A little more careful this time. you're trying to do is connect these two and then these two. So what I do is take this here, wrap it over, and under, twist it. Now, with that, take a touch of electrical tape. Wrap it here. Nice and tight. And you take these two. Now because I made this so much shorter than these, I can take these two and wrap them together just the same. And fold that flat. Now with that, what I do is take electrical tape, kind of simple, wrap it nice and tight at an angle. And there you have it, one short wire. See? Now I can connect this here, run this around here, put the antenna back on. Take the zip ties, the ones I got earlier. Mount one here. And mount one here. Like so. And there you have it. One conveniently mounted, can't see the wires, with the antenna on it, mountain stand.